can see like a sack here.
We are out here doing a sea turtle nest inventory. It is the last of the season. We are digging up the last nest to see how many sea turtles hatched.
We're not sure what we're going to find.
Unfortunately, none hatched.
Our officer team had prepared us, telling us that this nest was probably not going to be a successful one, but we were still excited to go anyway for the experience.
I think it's an awesome opportunity here with Coastal Sea Turtle Club. It's just so cool for, kids to come out and kind of, experience in the field and get to do the inventory on the beach.
You can learn about it in a classroom, but being out there with it, like hands-on, just the anatomy of the egg and like seeing the turtle's development, it's a unique experience.
We had prepared ourselves, but just knowing that none of them were successful was a little saddening. But I think afterwards, when we got to open them up and actually see like how they have developed, was quite interesting.
It's cool like that I'm seeing it, but it's really sad at the same time. But this is something I've waited so long to do, so I'm excited.
We noticed their beaks were not hard yet, and some of the shells were missing parts of them, but overall they looked like a turtle. So it was just really nice to have that hands-on experience. We hear about it in lab, we learn about it in lab, but to be able to actually do it and see it for yourself is life-changing.
We're, able to utilize Waties Island, one of Coastal's awesome features of their program.
This was my first time coming out here, and my first time being at Waties. It was really, really cool. It's beautiful out here.
It's great to get out to Waties so we can see what we'll be doing research later on in our academic careers.
We've got our first egg.
Coastal's interaction with Waties is one of the main reasons I came into this marine science program. It's incredible. It's so cool, and you don't get to do that very many places.
When I was a junior, I was touring here, and I was between about 7 other schools in the state. The thing that stuck out with me about Coastal was their marine science program, and that they have this island for us to study on, which no other college has really been able to offer.